Okay, so I've got the hole in there and I've got the plate made, and all this does is it keeps that side panel up off of here, so I'm just going to trim it back most of the way. Easy peasy. Alright, so there we go. I'll file that down a little bit, but I just used a razor knife and I trimmed off all these little traces and most of that fin, so it'll still hold that side panel up. But now I just need to take this plate and either warp it with a torch or warp it with a hammer, because it doesn't sit on there flat. So that's next. Then I'll pop some holes in here, weld the spout onto here, and then work on cutting a hole on that side cover. So here's the plate. I got it pretty close to match this kind of compound curvature or whatever. It's close enough because this plate doesn't have to be the exact same as the top here, because where this is going to seal is where this little chunk of pipe is stubbed through. On this side of the air box, I'll put a little bead of silicone around it, so it's just going to seal right next to the pipe. It's not going to seal out here. This is just a flange, just so I had enough room to weld and put bolts, that sort of thing. So that spout will be air into the air box. So we'll go ahead and throw screws in here. So the air box lid is completely down. I'll put this piece of plastic on and mark it for drilling so that I can get that on and over this, so I can figure out where I want to run my pipe. Alright, so my first try, I kind of missed. So I put one of these little panels on it like you see on airplanes or hot rods every once in a while. Just because I was ashamed of the ugly hole I made, but yeah. So when that bolt is in there, it's in there nice and centered, so whatever.